Failure is my best friend. Because this is the name of the game, right? This is the keynote. We're talking about failure, feeling like you didn't accomplish what you set out to accomplish. So say it out loud. Failure is my best friend. It sounds weird, I know. It's not a good fit to say failure is my best friend. But we have to understand that the external world is just that, the external world. Because you're not a failure. I'm not a failure. We're not a failure. We're growing, we're evolving, we're becoming who we're destined to become. And I'm going to show you how I made failure my best friend and how you can use it to build unshakable confidence and unstoppable empowerment. So if you're ready, come on in and I'm going to tell you what to do to fight it. All right, my victors, talk to you later.